Akoshia's tasty recipe. Tasty recipe.
Hello lovely people, welcome to Akosia's tasty recipe. I hope you're all doing well. So for today's recipe, I will be showing you how to smoke your tuna fish at home, just like the ones we have in the market. Okay, so this is popularly known as Poku or Opoku in Ghana. Very delicious, so please stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, so in this bowl I have 2 kilos of fresh tuna fish. Okay, so I'll go ahead and then divide them into two.
Plenty. Put on your lighter, then on your stove, we making it brighter. We taking you higher, we killing the vibe, we no go retire. Any food you they want you go get, anything you they want you go get. Yeah, we killing the vibe, yeah, we killing the vibe, yeah. Akosia recipe, we get the recipe.
So once I'm done slicing, I'll transfer everything in a bowl and then wash it under running water. Okay, so please make sure to properly wash and clean the fish. Okay.
Genke, ebedi, ediane, plenty. Banko, chita, genke, ebedi, ediane, plenty. Tasty recipe. Recipe. Tasty recipe.
Okay, so at this point the fish is clean, so I'll go ahead and season with 1 teaspoon of salt and then 1 seasoning cube. Please, this is optional. You can replace with any spices of your choice. Okay, yes, so once everything goes inside, I'll go ahead and then rub it on the fish. Okay. So at this point the fish is well coated, so I'll transfer it in a different bowl and then I'll go ahead and cover with a normal plastic. Okay, and then keep it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Okay, so after an hour, this is the fish, so I'll go ahead and arrange it on the rack, but please make sure to put something beneath the rack so that the blood or excess water in the fish will not mess up the oven. Okay, yes, because there will be a lot of smoke if you just put it on the rack and then put it in the oven. All right, so please put something beneath it so that it will just get the excess water and blood. And then whilst doing this, make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then grill this for 45 minutes.
Put on your lighter, then on your stove, we making it brighter. We taking you higher, we killing the vibe, we no go retire.
Okay, so after 45 minutes, the tuna fish is out of the oven and the smell in my house, oh my goodness, this is so good and then juicy. It was well grilled. Okay, it looks the same like what we have in the market. All right, so I'm going to allow it to cook completely before I will bag them. But this is good in your banga soup, palm nut soup, your stew. You can use it for your okra soup, anything that you want. So I have the Ziploc here, so I will just put my fish inside, and then what I do is I keep it in the freezer, so whenever I need, I just take it, defrost, and then use it for any recipe that I want. So feel free to do the same. Okay, so one more tip: if your oven has the upper and lower heat, I will advise you to use the lower for the best result, because if you're going to use both, you will notice that the upper heat will hit directly on the fish and then the fish might burn, okay? But it's okay if they work together. Then please put it on 180 degrees and then still grill this for 45 minutes for a good result. Okay, yes, so thank you very much for watching this recipe. I really appreciate. But if you do like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share. Okay, kindly stay tuned for more and amazing recipes. To my new subscribers, you are welcome to my channel. God bless you all. Bye.